Let's say you want to send out a survey to people who have been your customers for a while, and you want to find out how likely they are to refer you to a friend. But we want to not just send out a survey, we want to make it as easy for them to complete as possible. And we also want to give them a tag based on what answers they give you, and to be able to send them to different pages based on what their results are too, like a thank you page if they score low, or to some more survey if they score it higher. So today I'm going to show you how to do this with our feature called Simple Email Survey. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to go into our plus this, and we're going to go and let me get on our demo account here and make a new feature, and it's called Simple Email Survey. And you're going to start with the question that you want to ask. So this is going to be one question. That's what we support with this tool, and it's not meant to be a long like survey platform. It's more just get them engaged. If you have more questions, we recommend just sending the redirect to a longer survey from like SurveyMonkey or Typeform if you like. So we'll start with the question: how likely are you to refer us to a friend? Alright, and then we can choose the survey type. So you can do a scale 1 to 10, or you can do a yes or no. Both are really easy to get started, but we'll show you the one that's a little bit more in depth, the scale version. So scale description for lower numbers. So lower, that would be like never, and then if they give it a high, that would be like always. Then we're able to set the scales we want to give different tags for. So let's say we're just doing 2. You can do many more. You just gotta add in the information above first, but let's just start here. Apply this tag if the answer is within this range. So we'll say, let's say survey 1 to 5, and this would be a tag that you want to be relevant for anyone that scores you low on this. So you might have different kind of follow-up based on what kind of scores they give you. And if they score us low, then we're just going to send them to our thank you page, or you could send them to a survey to get some more information on why they scored you that low. So maybe it's survey low score, and then if they score it in this range, we're going to do a different tag. We're going to do 6 to 10, and we'll send them to a different survey. And this could be to a survey for high scores, and this could be more like this could be more for people who are ready to refer you right away, and you can give them some, maybe you send them to an affiliate page where you have some things that you can have them share with their possible prospects, or whatever you want. And the code right here is what you're going to copy and just put into your Infusionsoft email in an HTML snippet. So let me show you really quickly. If we go into our campaign, we want to send this survey, and we have one in here, but if you want to find one, it's just here, and it is in the snippet section. Copy and paste. Let's save that, and then there it is. We don't need the second one now. And that's how you do a simple email survey. Really cool way to embed a survey into an email, tag people based on their scores, and send them to different follow-up based on how they score it. Looking forward to seeing how you use this in your business.